Yeah. Yeah, just throw it.
Yeah, they've got a...
Call the police, call the police. Call the police on the phone, quick. Get the phone, call the police.
They're not getting out of the car.
Yeah, the door's open on the other side.
Just don't let them see that you got your phone. Yeah, just don't let...
Oh no.
Write this down. BSZ26V. Are you on the phone with the cops yet?
Yeah.
Huh?
Have they got anything?
Just careful, they're going to fire shots. They're carrying an AK-47 assault rifle.
Are they?
Get ready, they're going to start firing. He's got an assault rifle.
I knew that was going to happen, you know, I say every day. Usually they've got another person on the other side, the dark people. They haven't got it today.
Are you on the phone with the cops?
Yeah, it's an inside job. It's an inside job because they usually have someone over this side.
Mate, that's an assault rifle, I can't believe it. Watch out, they might start firing inside the window, huh?